Hello, my dear crafters. So here I am with all the items I've prepared for Valentine's Day this year. These are great for craft fairs, and I got some emails from some of my subscribers that they're having a craft fair this weekend, so that's perfect. All of my videos have been released. Well, I have two coming up this week, but you will have time to watch them and prepare whatever you need, okay? So if you want to see the whole playlist, just click on in the description below. I'll have a link to the playlist and then each individual video so you can make a decision on what you want to watch. So let me just walk you through everything I've prepared for you. So these, let's start with chocolate, okay? We're going to start with, chocolate. So I'm gonna move this away and I'm going to show you everything I've made for chocolate. So this is chocolate, this is chocolate. All of these are chocolate related. So, and these are very easy and quick to make. So you still have time for your craft fairs. So this is a box, of course, very cute, decorated. And here is the kind of chocolate truffles that you can fit in. But of course, you can always customize your box. And I have a video that I'll have the link below that teaches you how to customize boxes, okay? So that's one that I made. And you can, of course, decorate in any way you want. Here's another one. Again, you can fit 4 of these. These are very easy to find. Even, at least here in the US, you can find them in any grocery store. So I've prepared these boxes for those chocolates. And then I have these 2 items here. This one, I think it's really hard for me. I kind of love these 2. I think these 2 were my favorite items. So this is a matchbox style of box. And again, you can customize it. And in this one, I decorated with these beautiful butterflies and some lace that I bought at Michael's. And look at this. And you can fit 2 little heart-shaped chocolates inside. Again, quick to make. You can mass produce it and just make it beautiful. I used these. These are actually, I believe I brought these from my country, so I don't know where you can find, but if you have pearls, that's what I would use here. Here's another one. Again, it's a matchbox and you have 2 chocolates here. I have a lot of chocolates to give away to my friends for sure. So that's another project that you find the link below. And these are so precious. They look like little books, but then you open them and there you are, the same chocolates, just differently and with a very, very meaningful detail here. You have a little note that you can, like an envelope card, where you can write your note to your loved one. And I just closed it with a heart. Again, you find the tutorial. Very easy. This is like a last minute kind of gift. So let me show you another one. This one is the same kind of chocolate. And you can change the dimensions, guys, if you have another size. Look at that, another note here. It just adds a lot if you write a note. So that's another one, and that's the last one. So same thing, it has 2 hearts here. And it looks like a tiny book. This is perfect to, if you have a party, these little ones, and they come to your house maybe. Of course, it doesn't have to be Valentine's. Just leave these on their, wherever they're going to sit, because it's beautiful. Just to say thank you for coming. So that's chocolate. I believe that's it for chocolate. Let me show you, of course, you know that my passion is notebooks, so I made a few notebooks, and these come with a little detail here. So you have just a basic notebook from the Dollar Tree, and also I found these at the Dollar Tree too. And you can, of course, if you don't find these, you can make like a tag here. You can do whatever you want, really, but it just adds a little, you know, little detail. So that's a notebook for you. Let me show you another one. This one is different. I added a post-it note on the left here. So you have a notebook on the right and a post-it note to the left, okay? All the tutorials are in the description, so make sure to do that. And make sure to subscribe, guys, if you haven't. It really makes a difference for us creators. You know, the algorithm, blah, blah, blah. It does help. I don't like to ask people to subscribe because, I don't know. But anyway, if you can, I would love that. So there are my notebooks. This tutorial has been a hit. People love it because it is very cute. And it's a tea pouch. You can decorate whichever way you want. And both of them, I used Velcro because I think it's the best way to close boxes, guys, honestly. And then you have inside all these pouches for tea. And of course, you can decorate each and single one of them. XOXO, kisses and hugs. Some flowers. I love making these. Again, not complicated at all. And you will learn. This is something that people are falling in love with. A lot of comments. And of course, it's all about the paper. I had this love thing here from Hobby Lobby. And there you are, all the pouches. This is simple to make as well. There you are. So that's for tea. Let me show you what I made. You saw in my haul, everything from the Dollar Tree here, that they had these like lip balm, but they look more like a lipstick, like this. So I thought those were great for Valentine's. So I made this tiny box for that. Let me show you each and individual one. And you can find it on my playlist. So, and it's just one piece of paper. It's all about scoring. I think this is my fave, and I love that it has the 14. That's Valentine's Day. So it's all cardstock. Just use a cardstock, one piece of paper, very, very easy and quick to make. So that's the balm, lip balm. Oh, let's get into pictures. So I made this one. And this is not, if you look at it, it doesn't say Valentine's or anything because I sold the one. Actually, guys, if you want to buy any of these, I really don't have much to do with it. So if you want to buy, contact me, send me an email to craftingwithpaula@gmail.com, okay? And we can talk about that. Because I know sometimes you just don't have time. But look, this is what I made. That's not the Valentine's one, but you'll find the tutorial for this one, okay? And you can just use your Valentine's Day paper. So that's for photo. It's a photo album. And it has this waterfall where you can add your pictures. I think this would be great for kids because of the colors. Maybe I'll wait for someone's first year birthday. So that's a waterfall folio. I think that's what I call it, but it's in the description. Very, very fun to make. People love, you know, and I really think it's up to me. It's like a mission. I want people to print their pictures and use and look at them, not just keep them on their phones. So that's here's my second. Yeah, that's my second one for pictures. I actually created again, always create something like this. I love to add this. It's like my signature because, you know, you can always write something. So create something like this. And then you have space here for so many pictures. I think it's like 16 pictures, and also to write notes on these blank pages. And you can, of course, glue on the other side too. So that's like a memory box kind of style of picture album. Always with this little note that makes a huge difference. This one is more of a Valentine's vintage style, which I love. Again, I have this little tiny envelope note, and there you are, lots of hearts. It's great to just celebrate a relationship and say, remember all of this that we did together? So that's perfect for that, and you're going to have fun making these. So these are for pictures, right? If you want to celebrate a relationship and, you know, remind your loved one of special times you spent together and difficult times as well, because that's part of life and part of your relationship, right? And the last one that I'm going to show you is this long box that I made. This is from the Dollar Tree, something that I found there, and I thought, these two together, they will make a very nice gift. So it's a sponge. Look at that, it's a sponge and some soap. So I created this box, and I teach you so you can use this technique for any kind of box, really, with the divider. How do you create the divider like this? And that is all for today. I hope you go see my playlist and all the things I've created. I'm sure you're having fun creating your gifts for your loved ones. So yeah, thank you so much again, guys. And for those of you who told me I have a craft fair this weekend, have fun. I hope you sell a lot and you enjoy your time. And yeah, just go to your craft room and get all of this stuff made. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye-bye.